Good morning, dear students of class 9th. As you know that the topic of reach for the top is going on. First part has been completed and the second part, which is belong to Maria Sharapova, is still on. During my previous video, more information were given about Maria Sharapova. As you know that Maria Sharapova was a Russian girl who reached the top of women's tennis when she was hardly 18 years old. Her journey in other words, her character is very inspiring. Those persons who are helpless, who think that they can't do anything in their lives, such persons, such hopeless persons, such persons may learn a lot while studying the character of Maria. Now, her character teaches us a very important thing, and it is determination. The main mantra of her life was determination. There are many similarities between Santosh Yadav and Maria Sharapova. When her father sent her to USA for training tennis, there she had to face many problems which were given by seniors. There she was humiliated, there she was insulted, but she never thought to give up her aim. Thus, by working hard with firm determination, with firm faith, she achieved the goal of her life, and 22 August 2005 to the world number 1 position in women's tennis. All that happened in almost no time. Maria Sharapova is a very brilliant example for others. Now, there are some important questions for your exams. First question: who was Maria Sharapova? ठीक, आंसर Maria Sharapova was a Russian girl who reached the top of women's tennis when she was hardly 18 years old. She was a very determined girl. She was also a great patriot. It is your first question. यह आपका पहला क्वेश्चन है जिसका आंसर हमें बताता है कि आखिरकार मारिया शारापोवा कौन थी. ठीक, नाउ you may capture your screenshot also so that you may write this answer on your notebook. Now your second question: Second question, how can you say that Maria was a determined गर्ल? आप कैसे कह सकते हो कि जो मारिया थी वो एक डिटरमाइंड मतलब पक्के इरादे वाली दृढ़ संकल्पी लड़की थी? आंसर, Maria was a small girl. As a small girl, she would sleep at 8 p.m. in her hostel but other girls would come at 11 p.m. They would wake her up and made her the whole room clean. But Maria never thought to give up her aim. So we can say that Maria was a determined girl. Now your second important questions: how can you say that Maria was a determined girl? This question may be asked as short answer or a long answer. Now you may capture this image as your screenshot and write down this answer in your notebook. And tomorrow more other important questions and their answers will be written. Okay, now try to understand these answers, and if you have any problem, please comment. Keep watching these videos very sincerely. Thanks a lot.